Hey friends, if you wish to change the language in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So click on File and then you can select Options, then you can select Language. Now here's the tricky part. There will be a lot of languages and there will be many other languages here. These are the ones which are for office ordering and proofing. For example, you may be using English United States, but still proofing will be installed for English Australia. Now I'll tell you the difference between them just for an example. For example, COLOR is correct English in the US standard, I mean American English, but the Australian or British or Indian English will say that COLOUR is correct. So in my case, I have added them as proofing languages, the additional ones. But if you want to add them as a direct languages, click on add language and then you can scroll down and find the language of your interest. Click on it and install it. Okay, and once it is installed it will start checking for updates and all, and once it is installed you can push it up. So right now it is checking for updates, and that's what you can do. And for the ordering, I mean, this will be the display language. You can only use one display language but multiple proofing languages. So to add the ordering languages and proofing languages, the procedure is same. Okay, I will try to add some other version of English like English Canada, and then I will add it, and this one gets added instantly. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.